From All-Star Case Bakes doing Chronicles basketball hobby box for Thaddeus. Jared Vanderbilt, 183 of 249 Elite. Costas. Michael Porter. Alonzo Trier Red. There's a Luka on the back. I'll just sleeve that one. Oh, a dinged corner. It's a Luka Crusade. And a Michael Porter Jr. XR jersey rookie, 14 of 50. Man, that was a nice pack. To Anthony Melton out of 99. Marvin Bagley Red out of 149. Sexton Studio. Tomas Satoransky autograph, 13 of 49. Luka Essentials. Luka Blue. That is 77 of 99. Trae Young Obsidian. And good luck on the last pack. Ayton rookie. DeAndre Ayton Elite. And Ayton Phoenix. Thank you very much, Thaddeus. Let me know if you want anything else. Congratulations on all the Luka in the box.